If you've walked into your basement or bathroom lately and caught that damp, musty smell, you've probably asked yourself, is that just an old house smell, or is something actually growing in there? Honestly, it's a fair question, and the answer matters. That musty odor is one of the most common early signs of mold. Mold doesn't always show itself right away. It can be growing inside walls, behind drywall, under flooring, or in your crawl space long before you ever see a single spot. By the time it's visible, it's usually been there a while. In Kansas City, this is especially common. We deal with heavy rain, humid summers, and basements that hold moisture. That combination creates the right conditions for mold to take hold quickly, especially after any kind of water event, even a small one. Here in the Kansas City metro area, we see it constantly. A slow drip under a sink, a window leak that got patched, a flood that seemed to dry out on its own. Those situations can leave moisture trapped inside building materials, and that's where mold gets its start. So if you're smelling something and you can't find the source, don't ignore it. At RestoPros of South Kansas City, we offer free inspections. We come out, take a look, and give you a straight answer about what's going on. Because a musty smell is your house trying to tell you something worth listening to.